Pair of linear equations in two variables, part 6. Dear children, hope you have got an idea about the three methods for solving the pair of linear equations in two variables from the previous lessons. Let's recapitulate the three methods. Which all are the three methods? Substitution method, elimination method, and cross multiplication method. Also, you have learned comparing ratio method also. Those who need to know about these methods, you can go back and watch the previous lessons and refresh it. Here are some important statement problems which can come for the board examination. Question number 1. Find the value of k for which the given system of equation has infinitely many solutions. 5x plus 2y minus k equal to 0, 10x plus 4y equal to 3. Look at the second equation. It is not in the general form. So what is the general form? Just recall it. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So you transpose this 3 to the left hand side. Now the equation becomes 10x plus 4y minus 3 equal to 0. So we can have a look for the solution. The given system of equations is 5x plus 2y minus k equal to 0, 10x plus 4y minus 3 equal to 0. The given system of equation, in the question it is given the given system of equation has infinitely many solutions. So, the given system of equation is in the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. From the equations we have a1 is equal to 5, b1 is equal to 2, c1 is equal to minus k and a2 is equal to 10, b2 is equal to 4, c2 is equal to minus 3. What is the condition for infinitely many solutions? The condition for infinitely many solutions is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. And substitute the values. 5 by 10. a1 by a2 is 5 by 10. b1 by b2 is 2 by 4. c1 by c2 is minus k by minus 3. Which gives 1 by 2 is equal to k by 3. We know 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. And 5 by 10 is also equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is equal to k by 3. Equate 1 by 2 and k by 3. Then cross multiplying, we will get k is equal to 3 by 2. What we can conclude from this? The given system of equations will have infinitely many solutions if k is equal to 3 by 2. Next question. Find the value of k for which the given system of equation has no solution. 3x minus 4y plus 7 equal to 0. Kx plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. The given system of equations is 3x minus 4y plus 7 equal to 0 and kx plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. This is of the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So compare the equations. Then we get a1 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to minus 4, c1 is equal to 7, a2 is equal to k, b2 is equal to 3, c2 is equal to minus 5. We know for no solution, the lines at the pair of lines are parallel. So we must have to remember the condition a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, not equal to c1 by c2. We have b1 by b2 is equal to minus 4 by 3 and c1 by c2 is equal to minus 7 by 5. Clearly we can see that b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. And check, we have the condition a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. From that we can find the value of k also. So the given system of equations will have no solution. It is given in the question that the given system of equations have no solution. If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, we can take this condition a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. That implies 3 by k, a1 by a2 is 3 by k. 3 by k is equal to b1 by b2 is minus 4 by 3, which means on cross multiplication we will get k is equal to minus 9 by 4. Clearly for this value of k, we have a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. Then what we can conclude? The given system of equation has no solution when k is equal to minus 9 by 4. Question number 3. Find the value of k for which the given system of equations has a unique solution. 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0 and kx minus 6y minus 8 is equal to 0. Dear children, please copy down all the statement problems in your notebook by pausing the video. So solution, the given system of equations is 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0, kx minus 6y minus 8 equal to 0. It is of the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 3, c1 is equal to minus 5, a2 is equal to k, b2 is equal to minus 6, c2 is equal to minus 8. So remember the condition for unique solution. We must have, for unique solution, that means that two lines are intersecting lines. What is the condition? a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Then what is a1 by a2? It is 2 by k, which is not equal to, what is b1 by b2? 3 divided by minus 6. So on cross multiplying, we will get k not equal to minus 4. So what we can infer from this? So the given equations will have a unique solution for all real values of k other than minus 4. Why we are taking other than minus 4? Because k not equal to minus 4. Here is a special type of question, that is by using addition and subtraction method. Question: 37 pens and 53 pencils together cost rupees 320, while 53 pens and 37 pencils together cost rupees 400. Find the cost of a pen and that of a pencil. Here I have given a clue for it. Look at the question. 37 pens and 53 pencils together cost rupees 320. Then 53 pens and 37 pencils together cost rupees 400. So we can make the equations like this: 37x plus 53y equal to 320. Why? We have taken the cost of pen as x and cost of pencil as y. Then next one, 53x plus 37y equal to 400. Look at the coefficients. The first equation, it is 37 and 53. Look at the second equation, that is 53 and 37. Here you can see the coefficients are same, but they are interchanged or switched or exchanged. Look at this once again. 37, here it is 37. Here 53, here also it's 53. For such type of questions, if you are getting such type of questions in the board exam, you need to use this addition and subtraction method. So the solution is, let the cost of the pen be x and the cost of the pencil be y. You can take any variable as you like. Then the linear equations are 37x plus 53y is equal to 320. 53x plus 37y equal to 400. Mark it as equation number 1 and equation number 2. Here which method we are using for this type of question? Addition and subtraction method. So first you add equation number 1 and 2. We get 37 plus 53. 37 plus 53 is 90. 53 plus 37, that is also 90. So 90x plus 90y is equal to 320 plus 400 is equal to 720. That gives x plus y is equal to 8. So we can divide fully by 90. So we will get the equation as x plus y is equal to 8. Then next is subtraction method. Subtraction we need to use, that is subtracting equation number 1 and equation number 2. That is 16x. How we are getting 16x? 53x minus 37x. We will get 16x. Then 53 minus 37. That is equal to minus 16y equal to 80. That is 400 minus 320. We will get as 80. Which gives x minus y is equal to 5. Then adding equations 3 and 4. Which all are the equations 3 and 4? X plus y is equal to 8. X minus y is equal to 5. Why we are adding? Because here we are applying elimination method. In order to eliminate y, one is plus and one is minus. In order to eliminate y, we need to add these two equations. So we will get 2x equal to 13, which implies x is equal to 13 by 2. Or you can write in the decimal form. If you are not writing in the decimal form also, no problem with it. X is equal to 6.5. Then substitute the value of x is equal to 6.5 in equation number 3. We will get y is equal to 8 minus 6.5, that is equal to 1.5. So cost of one pen is rupees 6.50 and cost of one pencil is equal to 1.50. This is a very important question. This type of question will come for your board exam. Next is a problem based on numbers. Question. Sum of two numbers is 35 and the difference is 13. Find the numbers. This type of questions are very easy. Solution. Let the two numbers be x and y. We need to find the numbers, so we are taking that two numbers as x and y. Then what we can say, sum of two numbers is 35, means x plus y is equal to 35. And difference is 30, that means x minus y is equal to 30. Mark it as equation number 1 and 2. Which method we can use to solve? Yes, exactly. Elimination method. Here we need to eliminate y. In order to eliminate y, add equation number 1 and 2. We will get x plus x is 2x equal to 35. Y plus minus y is 0. 35 plus 13 is equal to 48. That becomes 2x equal to 48, which implies x is equal to 24. Then you can subtract equations 2 from equation number 3. In that way you can do. Or otherwise you can substitute this x is equal to 24 in any of the equation. You can do it in that way also. We get 2y is equal to 22. That implies y is equal to 11. Therefore the two numbers are 24 and 11. This is also a special type of problem. Two-digit number problem. Question. Sum of a two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the order of its digits is 165. Not the point. Reversing the order of its digits. If the digit differ by 3, find the number. So, here I have given a clue or hint to solve this problem. Take tens place as x. We are discussing about digits. So, we are taking the tens place as x. You can take tens place as y or units place as x. It's your choice. Here I am taking tens place as x and units place as y. Then, how we can write the number? You have studied in lower classes. If I am taking a number 69, how we can express this 69? Can write in the form 10 into 6 plus 9. Apply Bodmer's rule. 10 into 6 is 60 plus 9, that is 69. So any number can be expressed in the form 10 into the tens digit plus the units digit. So how we can write in the general form? We have taken the tens place as x and units place as y. So our number is actually xy. How we can express in this form? The actual number is 10x plus y. Look at this example. 10 into tens place plus units place. So the general form is 10x plus y. Then what will be the reverse of this number? 10y plus x. That means 96. 96 can be expressed as 10 into 9 plus 6. So going through the solution, let the digits at units and tens place be the given number x and y respectively. For this type of questions, always you need to take the units place and the tens place as x and y, because here we have given the relation connecting digits. So the number is 10y plus x. Here the number is 10y plus x. Why? Here I have taken the units and units place as x and the tens place as y. That means then the actual number becomes 10y plus x. If you are taking the units places, tens places x and units places y, the number will be 10x plus y. Not that point. Then by reversing the order of digits, we will get 10x plus y. You can choose any way by taking tens place as x or y, units place as y or x. Both the conditions I have shown here. So according to the given conditions, we have 10y plus x, that is number plus the reverse of it. The reverse number is 10x plus y. In the question, we have sum of a two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the order of its digits is 165. It is given. So, the relation becomes 10y plus x plus 10x plus y equal to 165. And look at the question again. If the digit differ by 3, that means we can write x minus y is equal to 3. Or another condition also we can say y minus x is equal to 3 also. So, two conditions will arise. From this equation, 11x plus 11y is equal to 165. We can write x plus y is equal to 15. Why? Dividing throughout by 11. We will get x plus y is equal to 50. The next equation is x minus y is equal to 3 or y minus x is equal to 3. We have two conditions. Thus, we obtain the following system of equations. X plus y is equal to 15 we have. Then x minus y is equal to 3 or y minus x is equal to 3. Then solve these two equations. X plus y is equal to 15 and x minus y is equal to 3. We will get x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 6. Which method we used? Method of elimination. Then solve the second system of equations. X plus y equal to 15 and y minus x is equal to 3. We will get x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 9. Again we are using elimination method. Then substituting the values of x and y in equation number 1, we have the numbers as 69 or we can take 96. The numbers are 69 or 96. Here is an important type of problem, that is age related problem. Question. Father's age is 3 times the sum of ages of his 2 children. After 5 years, his age will be twice the sum of ages of 2 children. Find the age of father. Listen children, For this type of age-related questions, you need to take the present ages as X and Y. So, moving on to the solution. Let the present age of father be X because we need to find the age of father. So, we are taking the present age of father be X years, and the next is the sum of ages of his two children. That is, sum of present ages of two sons be Y years. I am taking the sum of present age of two sons be Y years. So read the question. Father's ages, instead of is, read it as is equal to. Then frame the equation. Father's age is equal to 3 times the sum of ages of his two children. That means we have taken father's age as X, instead of father's age substituted as X, is equal to 3 times. 3 times means 3 into. 3 into sum of ages of his two children, I have taken it as Y. So have framed the equation as X is equal to 3Y. Equation number 1. And continue reading the question. After 5 years. After 5 years, can you tell me the father's age? Father's age is X plus 5. So after 5 years, we are going to write the equation. After 5 years, father's age becomes X plus 5 is equal to twice. Twice means 2 times. Twice the sum of ages of two children. So 2 into Y plus 5 plus 5. Why we are writing 2 5s? Because the age of two children are increased by 5. So we are writing 2 5s. Okay. 2 into bracket Y plus 5 plus 5. So X plus 5 is equal to, open the bracket, 2Y plus 2 into 5 is 10 plus 2 into 5 is 10. So X plus 5 is equal to 2Y plus 20. Transposing, we will get X minus 2Y is equal to 20 minus 5 is 15. Equation number 2. Then solve equation number 1 and 2. By any of the methods you can use. Solving equation number 1 and 2, we get Y is equal to 15. Therefore, if we are getting Y is equal to 15, what will be the age of father? We have not it as X is equal to 3Y. So, X is equal to 3 into 15, that is equal to 45 years. Therefore, we can conclude that age of father is 45 years.